Instagram recently launched IGTV, so I have the application here, and it stands for Instagram TV, which can be considered as a competitor for YouTube and other video platforms. So this video is about how to create your own this IGTV channel with your Instagram account. Hi, this is Lakshman. So let's get started. So there is dedicated IGTV application app and the Instagram app too. We can do it from both. So let's open up anyone. You can do it from Instagram app. So I'm opening the Instagram app. So if you have not recently updated your application Instagram app, then update. So if you cannot see it here, see at the top here the TV icon, then you need to update your Instagram app from your app store or play store. So after you update and open up the Instagram application, you can see a TV icon here. So when you click on it, you can see the different kind of feed for you. So if you are following, you can see the your feed for you, and then just click on the settings tab. So this is here. Okay, so just clicking on the gear icon, the option for creating channel will pop up. You can cancel it or tap on create channel, and then you can just tap next and create channel. So this will automatically create your channel for your Instagram account. So if your Instagram account is private, then the this IGTV channel will be also private, and then if it is public, then it will be also public. So you can just upload videos here by clicking on the upload that are those that are greater than 15 seconds. So you can do the same from IGTV app or from the computer through the browser too. So this is all. So now you can just upload videos here, and then yeah, and then access the IGTV features. So this was all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.